Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Udemy course step by step clearly. To activate your Udemy course, begin by visiting the Udemy website. Log in to your Udemy account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the My Courses section on the left-hand side. Click on My Courses to view the list of courses you have purchased. Locate the course you wish to activate. If the course is not visible, use the search bar at the top to find it. Once you find the course, click on the course title. You will be directed to the course introduction page. On this page, look for the Enroll button. Click on the Enroll button to activate the course. If the course requires a payment, follow the prompts to complete the checkout process. After payment, you should see a confirmation message. Return to the course page to start your learning journey. If you face any issues, check your email for a confirmation or contact Udemy support for assistance. Enjoy your course and happy learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.